We are going to look at a few new features that we have added in our admin dashboard. First one is adding a project. So with projects, your team can actually track spend against a project. If there are multiple projects, you would want to know which project, how much is being spent against it. So you can set a start and end date. Let's pretend this is going to start in Jan and end in March this year, and you can say apply, and then let's give it a name. We are going to call it project testing. I'm gonna create a project, and when the team is actually claiming expenses, they have an option to choose, which project they want to, attribute that to. And that way, we'll get it tracked. And so let's look at in the projects that we've got. So, and then the next one is budget. What we can do is we can set a budget amount for each department, and we can actually then track them. So let's add budget for you can do it for project as well as department. Let's do it for the project that we just did. So project testing, that was the project, and then let's say there was an arbitrary value of you know 10,000 that's being assigned. And this alert feature is when you want to get alerted. Let's say 10,000 is the budget, and let's set our alert level at 50. So when people start spending against this project, if it reaches 5,000, we're going to get an alert, and we can set a date timeline here between which things can be attributed. So let's do apply until this, and then say submit. So budget has been created. Let's look at it, and so this is the one that we created. So when people start spending, and if we hit the percentage alert, which was 50 in this case, the admins will actually get an alert saying 50% of your uh, budget amount has been spent.